A lot of people think that I have job security, my business is secure. That's good, but your income is not secured. I'm talking about income security. If your income depends on your ability to perform, then your income is not secure, because the day you lose your ability, you lose your income. Hi, myself Sujay Chaudhary. Welcome you back again to my channel. And today is the second session of the question and answer session that we are doing with students and different people. So if you are interested to take part on this session, kindly check in the description box. Our email ID is mentioned. Please mention your name, phone number, email ID, your profession and your queries. We will get back to you and we will have session with you. So today I am joined with Mr. Sahil Malik. He is in the final semester of his graduation and he is pursuing his graduation from Calcutta University. So let's talk to Sahil. So welcome Sahil.
Thank you so much, sir, for making me come here, because it's a great opportunity for me to be in this channel and be with you, sir.
Okay, that's really so nice of you. So in this session I believe whatever your queries, and I will try to reply to you and hopefully it will be helpful to you.
Yeah, exactly, sir. I'm looking for the same. So, sir, the main concern that as I am just going to complete my graduation in few months, I basically hope that after that I am going to have a little bit of job experience in the working field. The main concern of our people, or the people who are just going to complete their graduations, are how to be financially independent in the upcoming years of their life after having a good and secure job. So this is the main concern of any student who is living a dream of being a successful person in future.
Okay, really that's a very good question. Everyone wants to be financially independent. So for financially independent, still you will be graduated in few months time. So have you ever received any kind of education regarding financial independency or anything which help you to develop your financial status?
Being honest, sir, actually not. I never received any kind of knowledge about this, and this is the main reason why I am here today with you, because I really want to know about this.
Okay, that's really great. Actually, no education system in this whole world teaches us how to become financially independent, or rather how to become financial freedom, or how to achieve financial freedom. This is one of the most mysterious thing in the world. So before going further, you will find a lot of people whose financial condition is better than you, and there will be some people whose financial condition is even worse than you. So you cannot judge that I need X amount of money to become financially independent. Actually, it depends on your dreams and your goals and a lot of other factors as well that I will discuss in due course time. So before going further, just to help you, do you have a dream, and what is your dream? I mean, initial dream.
So my initial dream is to be successful in life, not only to help myself but also the people who are involved in my life.
That's really great. And it's according to your choice. Financial freedom does not mean that I will have lot of money. Financial freedom or financial independency means I have enough money to buy the things or do the things that I like. Maybe $2,000 or around 1,50,000 Indian rupees will be enough to buy that, and maybe it will be $10,000 or 6-7 lakhs Indian rupees to become financially independent. It's on your choice. So financial freedom means I have enough money to buy the thing that I like, or I have enough money to do the charity that I want to do. And in this way, you can ask yourself few questions. Say, after a few years of time, do you drive the car that you like, or drive the car that you can afford? Do we live in the house that we like, or we leave the house that we can afford? These are the small things where you can understand whether we are financially free or not. And forget about these. There are small little things, that we can understand whether we need some more financial independency or not. When you go to restaurant, how do you see the menu card? From left to right or right to left?
Only sir, left to right. No, normally right to left.
Right to left. First we see the price, then we see the item. So that's how we can understand whether we are financially free or not. So it's a process.
So I got the things that you are telling me, but according to myself, if the way I have studied in my life, is it possible or really there is something like that in which I can be actually financially independent in the upcoming years just by working, or there is another success story about that?
See, there are a few elements for financial freedom. You should understand and you should know the elements behind the financial freedom. So can you please guess what is the first element for financial freedom?
Honestly, sir, it must be money.
Yes, of course it's money. Because you need a lot of money to enjoy financial freedom. So money is one thing that you need very much. But people will say that money is bad. Money is not good. But that's not true actually. Without money nothing happens. Even you cannot help others if you don't have money. The question is how you are earning money and how you are spending money that determines whether money is good or bad. There is another element for money is time. So if you don't have time to enjoy the money, then the money will be of no use. For an example, you purchased a very good house, but you are not living that house. You have a very good luxurious car, but you don't have time to drive or ride on that car. So what is the use of buying that house or car? So you should have enough time to enjoy the money as well. Means you should have total freedom of choice. Then only you will be financially free. And also some other elements are also involved in terms of achieving financial freedom is income security. A lot of people think that I have job security, my business is secure. That's good. But your income is not secured. I am talking about income security. If your income depends on your ability to perform, then your income is not secure. Because the day you lose your ability, you lose your income. So you have to keep in mind that you should have enough money and you should have enough time to enjoy the money and your income should be secure. So you should generate an ongoing and growing income as well, so that you can have total freedom of your life and life will be more choiceable.
Okay. But sir, the word that you have just used, that is ongoing, what does it actually mean?
Ongoing means, say for an example, with or without you, your income will keep coming. So that is called ongoing income. Means the income that you generate it's not with your effort.
But sir,
There are certain ways, yes of course, there are certain ways, maybe in another day I can show you the way of earning money. There are few ways of earning money, because just little hint on that. Your income and my income, everyone's income depend on the time you spend in your job or in your profession. So for an example, if you are a surgeon, if you are a lawyer, you know your optimum income, because this X amount of time I can put in my profession. So that means that is my optimum income. I cannot earn more. So how you can earn more? By putting more time. If you are smart enough, you can marry once, you can double your time, but can you marry 3, 4, 5, 6 persons? So that is the final time you will have. So you can multiply your time. Like a businessman, he purchased lot of people's time in his business. That is the reason he is rich, because he is putting 8 hours by himself, but he is getting at least 80, 100, 800 hours in his or her business. That is the reason they are making money. So your income depends on the time you spend in your profession. So that's how you can develop more money. And of course there should be security of earning that money as well. You are asking ongoing, so this is ongoing money. You or without you, your business or your profession will give you money. So that is ongoing. And another thing I mentioned is on growing. And why I mentioned on growing? Because I believe you understand, or you will say yes to me that in every 10 years almost prices gets double.
Yes, they are.
So that means you need on growing as well.
Yes, sir.
So how you set up your income? It should be ongoing and on growing.
Yes, sir.
So that in future also you do not need to be worried about the inflation and everything. So basically it should be inflation adjusted. There are certain ways you can do that. And personally, I can guide you how you can do that, how you can generate ongoing and on growing income, which is inflation adjusted.
That will be great, sir. But sir, I do have one more question.
Yes, tell me.
Which profession do I choose so that I can achieve this entire scenario of financial independence?
Yeah, this is a very intelligent question. See, it's very difficult to say which profession, because whatever profession you choose is the best.
Yes.
Every profession is very good, but you have to decide if you want to go to that far. Like, this is my dream, I have to achieve that. For that, there are certain ways you can eliminate few professions. In this short span of time, it will be very difficult for me to make you understand about this, but I'm just giving you some idea. Like, just tell me one car which is one of the best car available in the market.
We all know that name, sir, Mercedes-Benz.
Okay. So, do you love to have a Mercedes-Benz
Who wants?
as your vehicle?
Surely, sir, I will.
Okay. And let's assume you have Mercedes-Benz and you love to ride on Mercedes-Benz. Now tell me, what is your dream destination? Where do you want to go in life? If money is not a problem,
Then it will be London, sir, central London.
why?
It is the most beautiful place, the environment, the people, and we all know it is a national heritage of the world.
Yeah, of course, because I also went to London quite several times. It's really one of the best places in the world. So tell me, London is very good destination. So do you think that your vehicle Mercedes will take you to London?
I don't think so, sir.
Why? What's wrong with your vehicle?
So it can't drive on water.
So that means you have the best vehicle in your hand. That is Mercedes-Benz. And what's wrong with your destination, London?
It's far away.
It's very good as well. But you have to understand, London is very good. This vehicle is also very good, but this vehicle won't take me to London. That's the decision you have to take every time in your life. I have the best vehicle in my hand, but will this vehicle take me to my destination? If the answer is no, then you must change your vehicle. Like, if you want to go to London, then you have to go to the airport with your brilliant, luxurious Mercedes-Benz, then you have to take a flight to London.
Yes.
So that means nothing wrong with your vehicle, current vehicle, nothing wrong with the destination. It's the correct vehicle that will take you to your destination. So first you select your destination, first you select your goal, just a short idea, just make a goal and write down how you can achieve that. Don't write I need Mercedes-Benz. Just write down how can I get Mercedes-Benz, and then write 20 to 25 different ideas how you can buy that in 1 year time, 2 year time or 3 year time. That will force you to go deep in your mind and you will get a lot of ideas. So lot of vehicles, you will understand, and you will then the idea that this vehicle might take me to that destination. That's how you have to eliminate other vehicle and ride on the right vehicle so that you can reach to your destination.
That gives a great help, sir. It's a great advice. Thank you so much.
No, thank you. It's my pleasure that you asked these kind of questions. I hope this will be helpful to you and the persons who are watching this video. So if you have any queries, then please write down on the comment section. I will try to respond to your comment. So if you like this video, then please subscribe here and turn on the notifications. If you turn on the notifications, then whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. Thank you. Cheers.